Hi Ning! It's a blessing to have such a smart, beautiful, understanding, and caring sister like you. And a supportive mama Ning to my children. I know, love mo git ko and ka-family ko. At isang tawag ka lang, nandyan ka agad. Kahit walang wala ka, umahanap ko ng paraan. And I'll never forget it. I know that you are a best mother, good wife. So, we pray that the Lord blesses your life with good health and future and lots of love to your special day. Have a blessed 60th birthday, Ning. Happy birthday! God bless you!
Happy birthday, Mama Ning. We love you. We miss you. God bless you. More birthdays to come. More love. More good health. And happy family. We love you so much.
Happy birthday, Ning! I wish you have a good birthday. I hope that you have many more birthday to come. I will see you soon.
Happy birthday, Mama Cora! We love you! Miss you!
Hi Ma! Happy 60th birthday! So, edad lang po natin yung tumataas ha, pero yung kagandahan mo po at kaseksihan is maintain mo pa rin. So, I wish you the best in life, good health, success in life, and more birthdays to come, more blessings to come, and also good health. Alam mo na mahal ka namin lahat, at we always pray po sa good health niyo po, at ikaw rin po maging continue to serve to God, kasi alam naman natin na pag nandyan ka palagi sa Panginoon, lahat ng iyong prayers ay ibibigay niya sa iyo. So again, happy birthday to you. So bye Ma. See you soon. Bye. Love you.
Happy birthday, Mama Ning. Always eat healthy, long life, and more birthdays to come. We love you. Happy birthday!
Hi Ninang, happy birthday! More birthdays to come. We love you. We miss you so much. I love you Ninang. Happy birthday ulit. Enjoy your birthday.
Maricura, happy 60th birthday. May you have many birthdays to come. God bless.
Hi po, Mama Cora, it's me. Happy 60th birthday po. Wish ko po is more blessings and good health po. Yun po, happy birthday po, Mama Cora. I love you.
Yay! Happy birthday, Mama Cora. Just stay healthy and more blessings to you. And just enjoy the happiness of life. Happy birthday, Mama Cora.
Hello, Ninang Cora. Happy birthday. Sana marami pang birthday na dumating sa'yo. Ingat palagi. Kayo ni Ninong. God bless you. It's me, your inaanak, Sambo.
Happy 60th birthday, Auntie Cora. More birthdays to come. Ingat lagi and God bless you. Regards sa family mo, Auntie. Thank you for being nanay sa amin nung high school pa kami.
Hi, Tita Cora. First of all, happy birthday and belated happy Mother's Day. May God always provide you the most precious things in life. Health, joy, love, peace, and prosperity. May God bless you always. Love you.
Hello, Tita Cora. Happy birthday sa'yo dyan. Ingat ka palagi. And stay healthy.
Happy birthday, friend. Welcome to the club. Wishing you all the best. God bless.
Hi, Ate Cora. Kumusta? Kumusta na kayong lahat dyan? Happy birthday sa'yo, ate. I wish you have a long life with full of smile, happiness, and love. More blessings to come. And good health always, ate. God bless you, ate. Ayan. i-enjoy mo lang yung araw na ito, ate. Ayan, nami-miss ko na kayo, ate. Sana makapasyal kayo dito sa bahay. Ayan, I love you, ate. I miss you.
Hello Mars, happy birthday! Nakakamiss din yung mga panahon na magkakasama tayong kumain, magkwentuhan, magtawanan. Pero ngayon, kahit na magkakahiwa-hiwalay na tayo, I'm so glad na nandun pa rin yung closeness natin as sisters, as friends. So, wish ko lang sa iyo, in your 60th birthday, sana maging healthy ka, maging happy ka. And of course, you can enjoy your life with your family, with your grandchildren, with your friends out there. Thank you also for being my sister when you are here in Namak, because you've been a good inspiration to me during the time of my downfall. You are always there to inspire me. See you, happy birthday, God bless, and I wish you all the best. Love you!
Happy 60th birthday, Lola Cora. I love you po.
I love you po.
Happy birthday, Mama Ning! We wish you all the best, good health, and more blessings to come. We love you. Ikaw yan, Nay.
Nanay yan, no?
We love you. Happy birthday. Ang balasan, Nay. Happy birthday, Mama Ning.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Happy birthday.
Cora.
Cora.
Okay. God bless you. Good health always. From Marie. Nanay Tess.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mama Cora. We love you. See you soon. Oh, Nanay, birthday. Kaya, Marie.
Hi, Mama. Happy 60th birthday. Welcome to Senior Club. You are a senior citizen now. You can enjoy 20% discount anywhere and being a priority all the time. But I think mag-struggle tayo dun kasi hindi pa halata sa itsura mo. So, be happy all the time. Less stress. Don't think too much. Eat healthy foods. And please wait for me because I want to spend the rest of my life na kasama kayo, ini-enjoy natin yung buhay. Kaya, wait lang. In God's perfect time, tayo naman. So, magpakasaya ka lang, enjoy, and yun, wag mag-isip ng kung ano-ano. So, ayun ma. Sana napasaya ka namin. Sana enjoy mo tong araw na to. Kasi buong puso namin magkakapatid. Pinaghirapan. Binigay lahat para mapasaya ka at para maging memorable tong gabing to para sa'yo. Wala man ako physically dyan, pero andyan yung presensya at puso ko lagi nasa inyo. And ayun, mahal na mahal kita. Mahal na mahal ko kayo. Mag-iingat kayo lagi dyan. And I can't wait to be home again. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng dumalo ngayong gabi. Salamat po sa pagsalo-salo sa simple at memorable na gabing ito para sa aking mama. Taos puso po kami nagpapasalamat sa lahat ng effort and time na binigay niyo po. Ayun lang. Ang hirap pala mag-video greeting. Next time, uuwi na lang ako. Pang 10 times ko na to. Spread peace, unity, and love to everyone. God bless you all.
Cause I'm